I don't know. I just woke up and I feel my nose tickling. I think I might need to try to figure out what is making me sneeze. Could it be a cold or something? I can't tell, but I don't feel sick. I just feel this tickle. But what could it be? Maybe I need to dust the place. But my boyfriend said that he dusted the place yesterday. It couldn't be it. I should probably call him up to see. Hey, baby. So, did you say that you dusted the house yesterday? Yeah, 'cause I keep sneezing all morning. Wait a second. I think I need to blow my nose first. And yeah, I seem to not be able to stop sneezing. Did you do anything in particular? No, I don't think it was your perfume. Yeah, because I've never had a problem with your perfume. Oh. What? What did you say? You got a new air freshener. What do you mean? You got a new air freshener. Where is it right now? Okay, found it. What is that? What? You got lavender? Oh no. Haven't I told you that? I am... Oh, just by smelling it. Haven't I told you that I am terribly allergic to lavender? I need to throw this. Throw this away immediately. Oh, my nose. No, it's okay. I believe you, but I need to get this out of my house right now.